So as you're writing your code in Visual Studio, it will check it to try and identify errors, and if it finds things wrong, it'll underline things in red. And if you see this error here, you notice I've got this txt rat is underlined. At the bottom of the screen it says txt rat is not declared. It may be inaccessible due to its protection level. Txt rat is not declared is Visual Studio's way of saying I don't know what this thing is. I have no idea what it is. So this should be a text box. I can tell that because it starts txt. So I'm going to go onto my form where I designed my text boxes, and the text boxes are over here on the left. I can easily see all the names of the objects on the form by clicking on the arrow down in the bottom right down here where they've got the properties. So I go over to the right, click on the arrow, and these are all the items on the form. I've got a button called calculate. This is the form itself. There's a form called compound interest. I've got a button called FRM exit. That's completely wrong, and I should change that. Down here I've got 3 labels: LBL, interest, rate, and result. I've got one for LBL with years. I've then got TXT investment and TXT rate with an E on the end of it, so that's the correct object name. I'll go back to my code now by clicking on this tab up here, FRM compound interest.VB. I'm going to click on there, it'll show me the code, and if I put the E at the end of TXT rat, and then I click off it, you'll notice the red underline disappears and the error's gone on the bottom of the screen, and that's that problem fixed.